Ooh, it turns on the light whenever you're doing this.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Lucas, Levi, what do you think of that? Is that a humidifier? A cool mist humidifier?
Look at his eyebrows. You can see the water on him. Oh, you can take it off.
It's a smoky fountain.
Alright, maybe we'll put it back on.
I think he's got some condensation on his face there. You can see it better with this angle.
Every little hair has a little bit of water on it, doesn't it?
Is that helping you breathe better, buddy? Look how bright and blue his eyes are. Blue eyes. That's too bright. Gorgeous blue eyes.
Let's put this guy back on.
That is pretty sweet, though.
Watch it. Wait for the breath when he sticks it on his nose. There it was.
Whoa, that's crazy steam right there.
There we go. I'm trying to hold you at the same time.
Just don't let him puke in the hole, okay? He's got so much condensation on his little face. It's like sparkles. Does that feel good, though?
I don't think he cares.
Hi. Okay, we should probably stop now. I don't know if he's supposed to be, like, right close to it. Like, seriously, his whole face is just covered in misty stuff. Oh my gosh.
He's shaking his little hair up there.
I see it, yeah. Even the top of his hair. Wow. Hey, bud, what do you think of the cool mist humidifier? Is it a sweet froggy?
Say.
There's our froggy. This is like baby clubbing. He sniffed some really good ecstasy with sparkles. Or maybe that's sparkly cocaine all over his face. Look at him, his pupils are all dilated too. Are you high on water particles?